stop. For anybody.
Yeah, when she started.
Oh, man. And it was Dog Eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking dog eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
No? You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss. When we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Hey, need toast? Need a soup?
Everything, man.
Hey, buddy.
You want DVDs? Every DVD you want, right here. Hey, CDs, all the best CDs here. Joey Quan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem. You need anything? Just come ask.
Hey, CDs, all the best CDs here. You want DVDs? Every DVD you want, right? No, this is gonna piss Dog Eyes off. At some point, Winston and Dog Eyes are gonna clash, man. It's going to be epic. Winston versus Dog Eyes. Hey, you wanna do the talk?
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Guy said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
We're tough.
Do that! Okay, I will pay.
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. But Dog Eye won't be happy.
There's a massive ice cream. Don't buy anywhere else.
Dude, I think you killed him.
We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back choy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These troops are moving in on your territory. This isn't good. What kind of protection is this? Beat that punk! Come on, get back up!
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
I think we're almost done, but let's check over there. Hey, that guy, he's beating up that old man. That ain't gonna fly in our turf. Dog Eyes, this market belongs to Winston.
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
And we need to get you outfitted. Over here. People need to know you're one of us.
You look like you could use a pork bun.
Come, look. interest you in some better clothes? Come again. Elegant, but not too flashy.
Let's get back to Winston.
全港獨家，要買親手，買嚟㗎，你個買唔到㗎。
That was awesome, man. All this teen. It's like you were born to do this.
Hey, Jackie!
You want to tell Hey what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. How much you new guy? You fuck up?
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Jackie, you're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you, don't fuck with me.
Can you do me a favor?
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcements. We should probably be gone before they get here.
You want noodles? It's real. I got special supplier.
You see the new guy around?
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
Theo! Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇啦. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? I take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck us.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That home Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
No，唔好要我講第二次啊！講開我啊！
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦。
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎！我成日都係唔係啦，我知我係啱嘅。
Best noodles. You want cheap noodles? Hey, all Hollywood movies. Hey, veggie. You want veggie? Come on, let me show you around.
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
Hey, come on in. I got special deal for you.
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇！我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you.
Stop!
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Fuck you! Get out of the fucking way, moron! Out of my way!
Coming through!
Oh, fuck!
Oh, shit!
有分大平賣，排你位。Never see deals like these.
平到你唔信。
Guys, I need your help! 嚟啊！哎呀，點啊？等我話你知咩叫眼前一黑啊！嚟啊，秒準！話你知啊，實死硬啊！嚟啊！哎呀，點啊？哇！冇啊！有事慢慢講啊！放開我啊！你老幾啊！ It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! 屌你老母臭閪啊 ！Fuck you up! You fucking with the wrong crowd! 嚟啦，牙籤仔！醫院留咗位未啊？哇！ Kill him! Somebody fucking kill him, please! 係小偷，你睇唔睇到啊？你啊！ 炸死個仆街！ Dog Guy's gonna kill you!
Fuck Dog Eyes! Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay, but please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me.
Ah,
咪走啊！
fuck.
咪喐，手低。
Hey, watch it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yee. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But, sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yee.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it against
for God's
protocol...
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is, hmm?
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
American gangs and Asian ones don't compare to the Triads.
I don't like this cocky little fucker. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much.
What? How much? No, I'm not paying that.
Rosa told me that the scenes between Winston and Dog Eyes are heating up.
Always the same. Big feud. One kills the other. Then a new feud starts.
They're both killed. Then maybe we'll stop having to pay protection money.
Cut off a worm's head,